Saturday Science Protocol, 11th distinction, exploring science curiosity.
Good morning to all. We are the students of class 11 distinction. Today we are going to explain about viscosity. Viscosity is a measurement that shows how thick or stick is an object, especially in fluids. Now our friend Rizu is going to explain more about this.
The fluid, like honey, has strong molecular force that creates significant resistance to flow.
The fluid with low viscosity is oil. It has low molecular friction, so it flows slow. Thank you.
Ninth victory, element of the day.
Good morning to all. I am Dia from class 9th victory. Element of the day, element organ. Symbol AR, atomic number 18. Category noble gas. Properties orderless, colorless, tasteless. Uses used in electrical bulb. Thank you.
Class 8 triumph, scientific principle of the day.
We are the boys of class 8 Triumph and we will be explaining about ignition temperature and calorific value. Now Lupin will tell what is ignition temperature.
Ignition temperature at which substance catch fire and start burning. It's called ignition temperature.
The minimum temperature required to set a substance on fire is called ignition temperature, even in the presence of objects. Fuels need moderate ignition temperature. If the ignition temperature is too low, it may cause accidental fires. The ignition temperature of wood is 300 degrees Celsius, whereas the ignition temperature of white phosphorus is only 35 degrees Celsius. Thus, it is stored under water to prevent spontaneous combustion. Since kerosene is too dangerous, we will be using sanitizer, which has the same ignition temperature, to demonstrate it. Even though the flame is invisible, the sanitizer is actually burning. Now, Sham will tell about calorific value.
The amount of heat energy produced when 1 kg of fuel completely burned. Formula of calorific value is equal to kJ divided by kg.
kJ is kilojoules and kg is kilogram. Kilojoules divided by kilograms is the formula of calorific value. A fuel must have high calorific value since it needs maximum energy produced. Calorific value is also the maximum energy produced by a fuel after 1 kg of its mass is completely burned. Thank you.
So, someone will give a demonstration. Class 7 Pacific, scientific instrument of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Kriti Tyagi. I am studying in 7th Pacific. Instrument of the day, a tuning fork. A tuning fork produces sound of a fixed frequency. Due to the vibration of its two prongs, the frequency depends on the length and mass of the prongs and the material of the fork. Thank you.
Class 6 King David, scientist of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Kingston. I am studying 6th standard King David. Scientist of the day, Carl von Drais. The bicycle was invented by Carl von Drais in 1817. He was a German inventor, and his first model was called Laugh machine, means running machine. Was reported died on June 12, 1817. Thank you.
Class 5 APJ Kalam, science formula of the day.
Super morning to all. I am Akshita from 5th APJ Kalam. Formula of the day. Acceleration is equal to E minus U by by t, where u is equal to initial velocity, v is equal to final velocity, t is equal to time taken. Thank you.
Class 4 Hero Scientific Word of the Day.
Good morning to all. My name is Rukrika from class 4 Europe. Scientific word of the day. Stomata, the tiny pores of the leaves. Thank you.
Class 3rd Diamond Inorganic Acid of the Day.
Good morning to all. My name is Rifa Mitra. I am studying 3rd standard. I am inorganic acid of the day. Nitric acid. Thank you.
Class 2nd Jupiter Organic Acid of the Day.
Good morning to all. My name is Shafil. I am studying 2nd standard. Jupiter. Organic acid of the day. Lactic acid. Thank you.
Class 1st America Planet of the Day.
Good morning to all. My name is Gayatri. I am studying 1st standard. America. Planet of the day. Mercury. Mercury is the hardest planet. It has near to the sun. Thank you.
UPG Penguin Source of Vitamin of the Day.
Good morning to all. My name is Yuvatse. I am studying UKG Penguin. Vegetable of the day. Tomato contains vitamin C. Thank you.
LKG Roses Fruit of the Day.
Good morning to all. My name is Avigian. I am studying LKG Roses. Orange contains citric acids. Thank you.
Word of the Day. Success is elemental. Just to keep yourself reactions balanced. Repeat after me. Success is elemental. Just to keep your reactions balanced. Success is elemental. Just keep your reactions balanced. Let's